It all started in January when I took my first ride of the year. The bike started behaving erratically until it stopped running. Fortunately, I was in the AA, which is the Automobile Association, so I was taken home. The man from the AA told me that it was a bad fuel problem. He said the fuel had gone off over the winter. Whilst I'm practical, I didn't want to do the repair myself, so I called my local bike shop and asked them for a quotation to drain down the fuel, clean the carbs, and then put it back together, fill it with fresh fuel and so on. But they weren't really interested in doing the job. They said it would cost me too much, probably more than the bike was worth. So it just sat there for 5 months while I waited for better weather and accumulated a large jerry can, a big funnel for the fuel, a new petrol stop tap, and something I've always wanted, an ultrasonic bath to clean the carburetors. And this video was born. I was going to show you each step from removing the fairings and other bodywork to draining the fuel from the tank, replacing the petrol tap, cleaning the carburetors in the ultrasonic tank, refitting everything, filling it with fresh fuel and starting her up. However, when I started to remove the 2 bolts which held the tank in place, I noticed that the old piece of cloth that I'd kept under the seat for 4 years was still there, and I thought, well, I'll get that out of the way. I kept it there just in case I ever needed to wipe my hands after doing a running repair on the bike. So I pulled it out, and then it hit me like a bolt of lightning. The cloth had been sucked up to the front area under the seat, which is where the bike takes in its air for the combustion. In effect, it was being starved of air. It wasn't being fed bad fuel, it was just an air shortage. So this, my friends, is the revised video showing you how the most stupid of errors can cause very big headaches and unnecessary work. But certainly one of the strangest causes of a breakdown I've come across. Needless to say, I don't keep the rag there anymore, and I'm chuffed to bits that my lovely bike is now up and running again after a 5-month break.